I put it on my AR, it's a 5.56.
Yeah. Hold on, you too.
Yeah, that's what they said. Yeah.
Hand the Draco.
I said what I got to say. Big
Yo,
Q, man.
Intro.
Big Q, man, the biggest.
Intro, Court. Intro.
What's going on with y'all?
Intro.
It's your boy Chill C.
Hey.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow.
Intro.
Get to it.
Intro.
I said what I got to say.
What's good, YouTube? It's your brother Red Kids. Listen, I'm back with another video. Hey, today we're finna go to the range, go crazy. Just a little vlog, going crazy with my boy C-Dog. With that boy Key Man, not boys anymore. Hey, but shit, we about to go crazy. Yo.
Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Also,
hey.
Link to my channel in the description.
Hey.
Chillin' with C with you, my boy.
Okay.
Get it.
Let's do it. Sweat.
Hey, dude's scared to get in the glove with me, bro. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Oh yeah, did the SF. Don't worry about it if it ain't the SF, but I'm saying it's the SF. You feel me? I ain't wrong. Feel me? Out here in the rain. Tell him, Buck. Out here in the rain. Tell him something, Buck.
Are they big boxing?
Yeah.
Goddamn out here, motherfucker go crazy, man. You know, got no AR, got no all of the above. Yeah, y'all see the sticks. Y'all see the stick. Y'all see what's going on. Stick daddy. Yeah. You too. So we finna goddamn go crazy. These little stick we finna shoot. See what's going on. Got the AR with that binary. We got the Draco, mini Draco. Did that mini thing.
That's both
You feel me? Mini thing, mini Drake. Yeah, my little stick.
That's the ring.
I brought the Glock 2-3. See what's going on? Glock 2-3 with a little light, I mean to point it at my boy, but you feel me? He's straight. We got my boy Court dog. You feel me? His stick right here, the gold thing. You feel me? 300 blackout, I think. 300 blackout.
For sure. 300.
Alright. Now I vowed to never take that gun again. So you feel me? I ain't gonna take this gun. I'm gonna let him pick it up if he wants to. You feel me? He want to touch it.
Niggas always hang.
I vowed to never touch that gun.
G2. Niggas gonna hate, bro.
Look, I would never touch. Look, come to me. I would never touch that gun again. Trust.
You're still gonna do the same thing. If I pull the trigger, you're still gonna shoot his ass. So you gonna do this.
Alright, but look, this is the other stick right here. This is a little AR-15 Ruger. Feel me? Really doing that AR-15, John. Big 223s, big 5.56, all of the above. You feel me? But yeah, we finna go crazy though. One hand to Drake. How it look? Oh, baby!
Bitch, you done empty the whole quick. You know that bitch high.
God, like niggas still shooting.
Baby taking out the baby. 300 blackout.
Oh, yeah. There's no.
Got that bitch dancing.
That hard. Alright, YouTube. Finna shoot that body. That switch. With that Scatpack. Now, it normally been jamming, but we're gonna see today though. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. It jammed. Let's see. It jammed one time. 2 times. Yeah. I'm through shooting it. You too. About to shoot that gold thing. 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold, man. With no sight. What we doing there?
With my boy, Ruger 5.57, hollow reflex, you feel me, 3-time application. See what the baby do. Gotta smack it, like you smack your old lady. baby. Never jam. Black Rambo taught me, baby. It is what it is.
I'm about to try that binary one more time. Put the binary on his golds on. Load it.
5.56 and 300 blackout.
Yeah, I got the 300 blackout, but I can't buy no fucking around, can't find no ammo. I had to order online.
I'm finna say, I got mine for Sports Academy, but
Yeah, that's why I got these 2 boxes out there. Got with 24.
like, we got these.
Could have been with $30.
Yeah.
Nah, the one we looked at was 49, the Hornet is.
Yeah, the Hornet, yeah.
The Hornet black.
The Hornet self black box, yeah.
He found some.
I should have got the 5.56. But shit, they gonna go down now because they got the 3.8 blackout now. So the 8.6, they got it'll go down. You know, once they be new, then it, shit.
To YouTube. All right. I threw his body. Then I got that 30 round, 40 round, whatever. Yeah, see what's going on. I put my binary on the golds on. Alright. About the one hand. So it gotta be the.
It's already caught. Get that button for the slide.
Alright, we're gonna try it really. Still jamming, bro. Alright, yeah, y'all see what's going on.
There you go.
Okay.
Little Draco motherfucker. Finna see how they be shoot. First time. Shout out to Night Boys for the special gift.
Yes, sir.
He like it.
Gen 5, 23.
Gen 5, 23.
Yes, sir.
Double
I
stab,
left my
man.
suppressor at home. I didn't want to bring it back out. Yeah. Since I put it on my AR, is it 5.56?
Yeah.
Hold on, you two.
Yeah, that's what they said. Yeah.
I think my gas tube or something's too long for that back pressure.
Yeah, I think you probably got.
Oh, it ain't spit the bullet up.
Carbine.
What the hell?
Setup.
Yeah, that's it. The carbine.
That never happened to me,
Yeah,
bro.
I got
What I just said.
Yo, yeah, so you got the rifle in there.
You serious?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, this is carbine.
Well, no, that's a,
Oh, we just put the cartridge out.
Battery.
That would
is
happen.
that 12.5?
Nah,
Gotta
16.
16?
I ain't never seen that one, nah. I
I thought,
over.
hold on before you start
That's why I don't
recording.
look.
I said, hold on before you start
See it
recording.
from the side.
I think what happened when it hit back, I had my hand right here.
Oh, you pushed it.
I think.
Oh, like what the hell?
All right, you two.
Yeah, side
23 Gen 5.
Yeah.
Man, Court Dog shoot the block.
Man, you know what I'm saying?
Not
With the
wood.
beam on it.
$100, man.
Yes, sir.
$100 brand
Let's see
new.
what it big do.
What kind of optic?
I want to see what the hype is.
Oh,
man.
it's
Sight mark?
yeah.
Never been a huge fan of Glock, but
Yeah, motion.
might have to cop one on YouTube.
Alright, you gonna shoot that bit one hand. Hey, I'm making shoot with one hand though, so let's go. One hand to jerk. Shooting the binary, y'all.
Binary, 300
binary.
blackout. Y'all see it,
That's what's
baby.
going on.
See what it big do. They get that big right. Smooth like butter, baby. It don't jam.
Yes, sir.
It don't jam.
I already got one in the head. Ruger 5.56. Let's see what's going on.
Make sure y'all go like and subscribe. Chill with C, my boy.
You
Come holler
feel
at
me? Let's do it. About to lead the rain now. We done shut up, went crazy, whatever. You feel me? Talk to him, book. Talk
Big
to
key
him.
man out here, man.
Going on court. Talk to him quick. Let him know something.
Feel me?
How was?
Shit was.
Who calling you? Who calling you?
Don't worry about it, pussy.
Who calling you?
You all up in my business,
Who
nigga.
pussy? Who pussy? Hey, 10K we in the gloves, y'all. 10K likes me and this nigga in the glove.
I get in the glove.
Hey,
I'm talking to them, nigga.
hey, 10K like we putting both of them niggas in the glove. Let's see the man behind the camera. See he gonna get his ass whooped.
Go ahead.
And I bet I beat
You
his
see I
ass.
just tripped his ass, then y'all.
You ain't
Yeah, I
tripped me.
just tripped that pussy.
I ain't even tripped.
I just tripped
10K
that
like, bro.
pussy.
10K
I
like.
just tripped that pussy. I tripped that nigga. He ain't do nothing.
Hey,
I tripped that nigga.
I started to tell your ass rule number 1. Don't fall.
But yeah, y'all see what's going on. Let me show the trunk. Let me show y'all the trunk, though. We got them ARs, you feel me? Glocks, AKs, Dracos.
I said what I got to say.